We are destined to be the most crowd-funded gardening product ever. Why would gardeners like you back the Root Quencher? Simple, it's revolutionary. We replaced common surface drip irrigation, spray heads, and bubblers with the fully adjustable Root Quencher system. Adjustable volume controls, flow controls, and adjustable depth makes it #1 in the market. You'll be truly amazed what a difference this system makes in your daily water savings and landscape health. The depth of roots varies from plant to plant and tree to tree, as do our telescoping chambers. You'll never want to use surface drip irrigation ever again. You'll be able to simply twist it to size based on the root depth and soil conditions, and you're ready to go. Our innovative plug system allows you to direct water right to the roots. Never worry about watering the wrong area around your tree or bushes. You decide where to direct the water. The Root Quencher will do the job for you. Whether you install the Root Quencher yourself or have your professional landscaper install it, you'll be truly amazed at how easy it is. Just dig a hole, insert the Root Quencher, and connect it to your sprinkler system. We're also the only irrigation company in the world to have a system that accepts all types of connections. It integrates with all irrigation systems, so you'll never need another deep watering plant irrigation system again. Hi, I'm Robert. My wife and I invented the Root Quencher. Every feature that you see in the Root Quencher came from our frustration in trying to solve for our own watering and fertilizing needs. Our goal is to have 100% satisfied backers of our product and build a great American company. We are working towards shipping product in July. We have a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. And as first adopters and backers of us and the Root Quencher, you will be the first to receive your devices. We have special savings for our early backers as well. Save more when you buy more. If you want more than 1 or 2 Root Quenchers, we also have packs of 4 and 8 that can save you up to 20%. Just click the button on the right of the page and then select as many packs as you want. Now let's meet a happy Root Quencher owner.
Just a month those Root Quencher were installed in there, and once the fertilizer was put in there, the trees came back, and now I think I have about 10 devices. It's really amazing how that device can really take the water all the way down to the root, and it just puts in where the water and the fertilizer it needs. And amazing how it grows.